Good morning, children. We are going to do another exercise of word formation today. The word is today dictionary. D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y. With this word, you have to make 10 words. Make 10 new words containing 4 letters or more using the letters of the given word. Remember, you have to use only these letters. You cannot use any extra letter which is not given in this word dictionary. Okay, so let's start, children. This is dictionary. We will make first word with the letters by using C-I-T-Y. What is C-I-T-Y? C-I-T-Y is city. C-I-T-Y is city. I am not going to write. You will write. Okay, I am just telling you. Now next I can make T-O-N-D, toned. T-O-N-D, toned. Toned means without cream, without fat. Toned. Okay. Next word I have made C-A-R-Y, carry. C-A-R-Y, carry. Carry means to hold anything, to pick anything, to hold anything. Now next word I have made A. This is A. A-I-R-Y, airy. A-I-R-Y, airy. A-I-R, air, and A-I-R-Y, airy. Airy means havadar. Now next I have made R-A-T-I-O-N, ration. R-A-T-I-O-N, ration. What is ration? Things which we eat, we keep in our kitchen, the grains, the pulses, and all whole cereals. All these things are called ration, which we use to eat. We cook with things with that and we eat things. So this is called ration. The grains, the wholes, the cereals. Anaj in Hindi we say. So next word I have made is T-I-N-Y, tiny. Tiny means very, very small. Next I have made Y-A-R-N, yarn. Yarn is what? Yarn is a thing, a machine, a kind of wooden with which we make thread and we make clothes. With the help of thread we make clothes. And how we make thread? We make thread with the help of yarn. Yarn is a kind of wooden machine. In Hindi we say it hathkargha. हाथ से बनाते हैं धागा with the help of wooden machine. Okay, wooden thing. Y-A-R-N, yarn. So I have made so many words, children. I can make ran, tan. These are 3-letter words we are not supposed to make because it is written that you have to make 4-letter words or more than 4 letters. Okay, so children, almost I have made 7-8 words. You have to make 10 words. Okay, 10 new words you have to make it, and try not to copy my words. You make your own words. Okay, not less than 4 letters. Okay, remember this. So this is the first thing you have to do. Second thing is there is one exercise. This exercise is joining 2 words and make a new word. There are 2 different words and you have to join them and make a new word. So peace is there. What is the question? Join the 2 words and make new word. Peace plus full. Now you have to join peace and full and you have to make one new word. So right here, P-E-A-S-E, peace, calmness, shanti, and we have to join full. So when we will write full, we will write F-U single L, not double L. This full, when we add in the word, we will write full with single L. We will not use double L. Remember this. What children do mistakes when they join these two words? They write double L in the end. This is incorrect. Keep in mind, you have to write single L. Now playful, P-L-A-Y, and F-U-L, full, not double L. Remember this. Otherwise you will get 0. In every session, every year, we find the children writing and doing this mistake. They write double L and they do not keep in mind that when they have to join the two letters, they have to write single L. When I was speaking with you, by mistake I too have written double L. Sorry for that. Okay. Now careful, C-A-R-E, care. F-U, single L again. Hopeful, H-O-P-E, hope. F-U-L, full, hopeful. Okay. Peace plus full, peaceful. Play plus full, playful. Color plus full, colorful. Care plus full, careful. Hope plus full, hopeful. Okay children, do these two exercises. First is exercise 2, dictionary. You have to make with this word many other words. And next is exercise number 3. Join the two words and make one new word. Peaceful, playful, colorful, careful and hopeful. Remember, you have to write single L in the end of the word. Okay. We will meet in the next class with the new topic. Bye bye.